I wanted to touch base with everyone just to talk a little bit about reading tips for this course. I do realize that this is a required class for the AA pathway, and I do realize that some of the reading is difficult. It really is difficult to understand at times. So in order to maximize the reading and to make sure that you have a good quiz test scores, I wanted to just share a couple strategies with those of you who do have difficulty with reading comprehension. First of all, I'll put it right here. Take your time. American literature is not to be rushed through. You cannot rush through it. If you do, you're not going to get the gist and general understanding of what it is that they're talking about. So you want to make sure that you take your time. Okay? Read multiple times for understanding. And be sure that you do this. Reading one time, sometimes we just don't get it. So, read multiple times for understanding. And make sure you allot time for that. I know everybody's saying, well, who has time for that? Make time for it. It will help. Highlight or take notes. Use the study guide questions that I provided. If you use the study guide questions, those help guide your thinking and can help you pick out, important points of each reading. So you don't have to submit those, but I did provide those as a guide for students to work through their reading. Okay, and one other strategy that I know students like to use, read a few pages at a time, then take a sticky note, summarize the pages you read, then stick in the book. Repeat until you finish the reading. And then once you finish the reading, you can go back and pull your sticky notes out, and that will be your summary. And if you can summarize what you've read, then you understand it. So that would be a good tip also. Just understand that you need to take your time. These tests, the quizzes, are not easy. It's going to take time, and you can use your book, open book, so please take your time. Make sure you're not rushing through a test because you only have one attempt. So be sure, if you have questions, to ask beforehand if you don't understand something. That's what I'm here for. I hope you have a good day.